Rude Records is a globally recognized independent record label focused on the alternative music scene, with over 250 releases by more than 80 artists reflected in 250 million streams per year and over 6 million listeners per month.
We uncover new talents and nurture them to global recognition. Our mission is to continue building a durable and diverse roster of talents and high-quality music marketable on a global scale. Billboard has recently acknowledged Rude's efforts and included the label into their 2021 International Power Players list.
The music industry is skyrocketing, and it's now the right time to invest in a record label. Goldman Sachs predicts that the global recorded music trade revenues will more than double by 2030, growing to approximately $41 billion, and music streaming subscribers potentially will surpass 1 billion users.
2021 has been a great year. Following its IPO, Universal shares surged by more than 35% in a few hours, bringing its value to over 45 billion euros. Blackstone hedge fund bet $1 billion on the music business, and Spotify became available in more than 80 new markets around the world. Also, it's worth mentioning NFTs and metaverse, which will represent a more significant share of income for artists and record labels in the future.
We want to keep expanding our business, being among the players in the exponential growth of the music industry. Following the first equity round in 2020, the investments in the artist and marketing areas reflected in a sharp growth in streams across all music platforms. We've added a total of 19 artists to the roster and 79 new releases to the catalogue in the last 2 years only.
The success of our projects, driven by sophisticated marketing campaigns, resulted in a massive rise in artists' streaming levels. Equity rounds are planned in the coming years, leading to a final IPO.
Rude Records plans to invest new funds to continue enhancing its development by discovering new talents, acquiring relevant artist catalogs, and strengthening its presence in key markets. So, ride the wave, invest in Rude Records.